Let's build a $1,500 PC today. Ready? Let's go. I'm gonna be building in the Antec DF800 Flux case, and I like the polygons on the front. I think I'm gonna paint this case kind of like an orange, white, and black, and then I kind of want the paint job to complement the polygons of this case on the front because I really like that. So let's see what I come up with, and let's see if it's any good or not. All right, here's the finished case. How do you think it turned out? I think it turned out pretty well. We got kind of the PSU shroud that I did, these little expansion slots, and then the back panel, the feet, and the front I think will be a real nice, good looking build. I wanted to compliment my friend Customz, made these beautiful cables here, and so I kind of did the same thing and added a little gray, kind of what the cables had. So it's gonna be a good looking build. Let's get to it. I'm going to use some older parts in this build. They're not the latest and greatest, but that's okay. These are still excellent parts. I might sell this build, so I'm going to get rid of some of the older stuff that I have so I can kind of refresh some of the new stuff. This is still going to be a great $1,500 PC, starting with the ASUS ROG B550F gaming motherboard. CPU is the Ryzen 7 3700X. My go-to NVMe, Samsung 970 EVO. This one is 1 terabyte. RAM we're going to use is the G.Skill 16 gigs of DDR4. We got 3200 megahertz speed CL16. AIO we're going to be using is the Deepcool Castle 360EX. Cool on this thing is the Antec Prism 120 argb. Part of Antec's Flux system on their cases is they like to put a fan on the PSU shroud here that will pull cool air from the back panel that has slots on it, and then it raises and brings it into the case of cool air. And so make sure you put it on intake fan bars and put it in here, and then it's gonna bring in cool air to the case. Powering this thing is the Antec NeoECO Gold 700 watt. GPU we're going to use is the ASUS 3060K overclock. Meow. On this Deepcool Castle, you can just kind of remove this little cover right here, and then this is the little default thing, their logo, that you can go ahead and tape off. And then let's put Appa in here, and kind of spices it up a little bit, so you can kind of design anything. You can upload your own image or anything like that, or use one of the defaults that or V1 Tech that already they might have already, and put that on an AIO pump. I know they have some for, like, you know, popular Corsair pumps and all that stuff, so personalize your PC a little bit.